Good morning, students. Now we study about the animal tissues. Whenever we study animals, it is also for the human beings because mostly animals and human beings have the same like body parts, na? So same thing. That is why animals tissues means it is also similarly human beings also human being. Okay. So, on the basis of the function means what? Work. So, how according to the works of the tissues, it is divided in this flow chart. First one is the dermal, connective, muscular, okay, muscular. In the three types it is divided. Dermal means mainly as protective lining. It comes under the skin. Dermal means skin. So mainly as protective lining. Dermal tissue means. Then connective means what? Building different body parts, organizing, connecting and supporting them. For example, in our body, inside of the body, which is connecting all parts of the body? Blood is connecting all parts of the body. Because blood is circulating from feet to head. Blood is going everywhere. Okay, so it is taking the nutrition food, oxygen, energy to all parts of the body and also removing the waste food to outside. Okay, so it is connecting all parts of the body. And then muscular. Okay, helps in muscular means what? Flesh, na? That one. Helps in movement of body parts. It helps in moving the body parts. And next one, carrying sensation in the form of stimuli and electing response. Stimuli means what? When somebody touches, we respond to that touch. Somebody calls us, we say yes. And that is the giving, responding, reacting to the touching, reacting to the words. It is the stimuli. Okay, responding. So this is the one. And the next one, so in the connective we have four types. Okay, so here it is not there. Interstitial. Here what is there? Actually interstitial. Interstitial, na? This place. Okay, so connective is divided to four: interstitial, adipose, fluid and skeletal. Okay, so interstitial means what? Support internal organs. Okay, so look at your textbook, page 104. Here it is not given, down something is there, na? I will read from the textbook. Listen. Usually found between internal organs and around muscular, dermal, nervous and other tissues. It is found between, that means beach means. So internal organs means inside of the body organs. Where it is found? Especially around muscular. Muscular means what? Flesh. And dermal means skin. Then nervous means around the nerves, in between the nerves, in between the flesh, it is found out. It supports the internal organs. It is only connecting the organs. Why it is between? Now, if we are pasting the two papers, between the two papers, what is there? Fevicol is there, na? With the fevicol, we are sticking the two papers and we are sticking the picture on the paper with the fevicol. So fevicol help connecting the paper and picture. So like that only interstitial also like fevicol. It is connecting the organs like muscular, dermal, nervous, other organs. Next one is the adipose. Adipose means what? Help in maintaining body temperature, also protective in function, usually found in under skin. Adipose means like fat only. So fat increases and maintains the body temperature in our body. Okay, so it is present under the skin. Next one is the fluid. Helps in maintaining body temperature, usually conducting gases, that means oxygen taking inside, sending the carbon dioxide outside. Everything is what? With the blood. And minerals, waste cells and materials that protect body from diseases. Okay, so one fluid is protecting us from the diseases and waste materials. One fluid is conducting the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, so in the fluid again we have the two types, blood and lymph. Lymphocytes which protects us from diseases, blood which helps us to transport the oxygen and carbon dioxide. And the next one we see skeletal. Skeletal means what? Bones, forming framework of the body. In our whole body which is supporting our body, if we are having the body structure, if we are able to stand means everything is what? Because of the bones, skeletal, protecting and helping in movements. Na? So in this we have two things, bones and cartilage. Bones and cartilage means here in the hand, na? So like this hand means, so this is the shoulder and here we have the head. And here which is connecting this one? Cartilage. Cartilage are which connects the bones. So here is the hand, na? So which connects the bones is called as a cartilage. Okay, cartilage which connects the bones, and this is the bones. Okay, and the next one we see here, in the muscular we have three types. One is striated, unstriated and cardiac. Okay, so here the fourth one is the nervous. Okay, so nerves only helps us to know sensation. If somebody touches means we know somebody is touching us. It is because of the nerves. Okay, groups of nerve cells and intracellular materials in different parts of the body. Okay, so in the muscular we have three types, striated, unstriated, cardiac. Striated means some of those straight, hand, leg and other areas of our body functioning under voluntary control. Voluntary means conscious control, knowingly, we are aware. That means hands movement and legs movement in our control. Na? If you want to walk only, we can walk. If you don't want to walk, we don't walk. If you want to write only, we can write. So these are the voluntary actions. Next one, unstriated is the blood vessels, food canal, air passages. Air passages means where the air is, carbon dioxide going inside, oxygen coming outside. Food canal means where the digestion is taking place. So all these are under not voluntary control. When we are eating the food, after food going inside, is it under our control? No, it is not under our control. Digestion, everything is taking place unconsciously. That means without knowingly, without knowing us. So not under voluntary control. Cardiac means what? Heart. This is also a muscle, na? So present in heart, not under voluntary control throughout life. If you know or don't know also, if you control or don't control also, our heart will beat and our heart purifies the blood. Okay, so it is not under voluntary control. Blood also not under voluntary control. Hands and legs are our control. Okay, so these are the animal tissues, and here are some pictures are there. Epithelial tissue, like dermal tissue only, skin. Adipose tissue, that means fat. Different blood vessels. Now it is the blood, lymphocytes, different white blood cells, and leukocytes, different things. Aerolar tissue, that means air passage. And next one is the bone tissue. You see the bone tissue, how it is? Bone tissue. And next one, all these are saw under microscope. It is striated muscle tissue, it is cardiac tissue, and then you see this one unstriated muscular tissue, na? This one you see nervous tissue. Okay, these are the different tissues of the animals. Thank you, students.